Good evening, guys. Today is a Tuesday. Make dinner with me. We have our thing that we are using for today. We have our smoked meat, we have green peas, and we have some potatoes. These potatoes is for the green peas, onions, garlic, potatoes for the beef. So make dinner with me. Basebo ne banyabo olwaleero byetufumba bye bino. Mbaniza nnyo mu ffumbiro lyange Afro Caro Kitchen here. Obanga oli mupya, tulina wano ennyama enkalirire oba njokyemu, tulinamu kawo, tulinamu potatoes gye tusazeesazeemu gye tugenda okukozesa ne kawo waffe. Kati tutandika okufumba. Ngenda kukozesa pressure cooker for the beef or for the meat. Keep washing. So wano ninayo sefuliya, wano ngenda kusiikamu kawo, wano ntaddemu already buto, ngenda kusiikamu ennyama. So kanteekemu kabuto akatonotono, kanyongereko obutungulu, this garlic is for the meat and for the cow. Here we go. Nje butasobola kulaba ekigenda mu maaso muno. Kano kateekanayo bujja. Wait for the onions and it. This obumonde oba Irish cut. Lwaki nteekamu obumonde wano mu nvumbe yange oba mu kawo? Obumonde bugiyambako okufikeninga oba okuleeta supu nga nkwafu bulungi, ate nakyo kyongerako more vegetables. Nakulinda entokote, then mwongere mukogo mu carrots. Tukunyama bulabanga yitokose bulungi, ngenda kuteekamu ekirungo. Wano ninamu black pepper, teaspoon of black pepper. this spoon of turmeric, this spoon of royco. Then I have beef cube here, which I'm going to add in also. You can use for chicken, you can use for beef. I have this one is for beef. Then I have also this one. I don't know if you guys know this one. Tekala sandika wano sikala wanganako. Yakuongera like half of this. Is also for beef. Then we add some water. Well, this is a pressure cooker. So guys, I've already boiled the rice, which I'm eating with that. You can see I have white plain rice, and my sauce are good to go. Let me cover them up to boil. This meat, I know 10 to 20 or to 25 minutes will be ready, because it was a soft meat or soft beef. Is not that hard. So let me cover it up. I also have some, this one here, to add on my beef. I put this mash. And I have this. You don't want to overpower your meat with too much ebirungo. Ojja kuwoomerwa nnyama ate ng'oluusi oyagala kuwulira eyo testi y'ennyama. Engeri gye gawuumamu, engeri gye gatestingamu, engeri gye gawuunamu akawoowo. Salt is not enough. I'm going to go slow in salt, because all the spices are salty, so you don't need to put too much salt. So this is for now, then I will garnish it later. Keep watching. Turasebo ne banyaba emmere yaffe eyidde, tutandise kubega. Ennyama yaffe nayo yayidde dda. Kawuyize ne greens zaffe zabukumye dda, katusavinge. Abemukwano, emmere yayidde dda, mujje tulye. Nsanyusa okubalaba. Wano mulaba tulinawo ennyama, tulinawo kawungale kulaba. Katonda abawe omukisa, my YouTubers, Afro Carol Kitchen here. So today we are having smoked meat, rice, greens, and fresh peas. So that's what we are having for our dinner. Why don't we taste this food, guys, and see how it tastes like? Here we are. This is taste so nice, so refreshing, so sweet, so good. Welcome to eat this dinner with us. I wish you a good night. Thank you for watching, subscribing. See you.